Winnie Odinga. Kwa hivyo mimi nataka niambia watu ambao wanasema huyu msichana wetu afanye harusi. Mimi nataka niwaambie ile siku baba alikuwa, mbona hamkumwambia afanye harusi? Sasa ile harusi ya kwanza ambaye Winnie Odinga atafanya, atakuwa Secretary General wa chama cha ODM. As the Gen Z spokesperson, as you well know me as the Gen Z spokesperson, I want to say this on matters of ODM party. This party of ODM will not die. This party of ODM is the strongest party in the history of the Republic of Kenya. And this party, we are going to say this. We are saying that ODM party, as we are going to have this NDC, we are going to elect new leadership. Like-minded leaders. Edwin Sifuna should be the party leader. The deputy party leader should be Babu Owino. The Secretary General will be Winnie Odinga. And I want to say this to the youth of this country. Gen Z, unajua wanasemanga we are leaderless, we are partyless, we are rudderless. We want to say this. In 2027, we are coming for those seats. I want to announce that Parliament will be a Parliament of Gen Zs. That the executive will be filled with Gen Zs, starting with cabinet secretaries, starting with PSS, and all lucrative positions. And do not tell us that, oh, we have no presidential candidate. Hii mchezo tunaona hapa, unajua there are many jokers who have been making runs around this united opposition, which is well known as the united force of failures, who have been in government for the longest time possible, and they have done nothing for the people of this country. I want to tell them, there are people who have been in politics for 40 years, there are those who have been in politics for 10 years, there are those who have been in politics for 30 years, and so on and so forth. I want to tell you that it is time for the youthful nation, that it is time for the young people of this country to take over the leadership and mantle of the Republic of Kenya. Coming 2027, we are going to take over the leadership of this country. Na nataka niambie wale wazee ambao wanatuambia sisi ni vijana wadogo, sisi hatujielewi, sisi hatuna structures. Nataka niwaambie wakati wenyu ni nani alikuwa anawaambia jini ni vijana wadogo? Wakati wenyu tulikuwa tumenyamaza. We were delving on other issues. We were not interested in whatever is going on. But now that we have brought out our voices to be able to dispute of what you have been doing, you have been looting this country. You have been looting this country, and then you want to give us political advice. Ati vijana wanahitaji kubarikiwa, vijana wanahitaji sijui kuombewa, vijana sijui wanahitaji sijui nini, kuambiwa nini, ati sijui waende wafanye kimila na vitu kama hizo. Sisi tunawaambia sisi tuko na nguvu ya Mwenyezi Mungu na sisi tuko tayari kuchukua uongozi wa nchi. Hii mchezo inaendelea hapa social media. We are not interested. If you are looking for sympathy votes, you will not get it from the young people of this country. If you have no agenda, if you have no plan, kazi yako ni kusema Kasongo must go one term and you have no agenda. We are telling the united opposition, you need to be serious, or we as Gen Zs, we will foster a national youth conclave, a national youth coalition that will form government in 2027. And I want to tell the ODM party must reconsider the youthful leadership. We want you to have a future. We don't want ODM to die because of Oburu Odinga and some few individuals who have personal interest. That is why we are saying ODM must call for that NDC, and we are very much ready. Thank you very much.